Hey guys, I just want to talk to you about this Panasonic DVD video recorder. It's a DMR-E55. It's a DVD recorder, a DVD RAM, and DVD-R. Definitely recommend the DVD-Rs. They work better than the DVD Pluses. And it has some access points here. Super easy to use. Let me just show you. It does use a disc, so you just put a DVD in and we pop in a DVD to show you how it works. You just open this up, you pop in any DVD or a blank DVD-R. If you want to record something, you put it in the recorder. Really easy to see. Open it. It's a very smooth operation. Remote control right here. And once you put it in, it takes a few seconds to read. It's a little bit older technology, but it does work. And it's hard to come by for DVD recorders today. Very, very hard. As you can see, I popped it in. It'll read the disc. As you can see, it's reading the disc. And it'll start playing it, the disc in a few seconds. As you can see, DVD play automatically goes into play mode. And there you go right there. And this is just a DVD I just popped in just to show you. Any DVD should work. Let's just top it out. And to eject it, let me just show you how to eject it. Just hit the button here again. Pop that right out. That'll eject the disc, just like you see here. Super easy, super convenient, and it works fantastic. Let me just show you the side of it. Actually, let me just show you the back of it as well. I want you to see. So I want you to see everything. Let me just turn it around real quick for you. And here is the back. That's what it looks like. Basic RCA connections, as you can see. Also has SVHS input and also old-fashioned, the old cable connectors. And that's what it is. Again, the DMR-E55P is the exact model number. Does have a fan for cooling, power cord, all like that. And you can see, fantastic. So I highly recommend if you're looking for a DVD recorder. Panasonic is super high quality, works fantastic, and never have any issues whatsoever. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this and hope it was helpful. Don't forget to follow us for more.